In this video, we're going to be covering another Leetcode question. This is question number 612. This is a SQL question. You need subscription in order to see the question, so I'm just going to write it down here. We're trying to find the shortest distance in a plane. You have been given a table. The name of the table is point underscore 2D. It holds the coordinates xy of some unique points, more than two in a plane, of course. So we're going to be writing a query to find the shortest distance between these points rounded to two decimals. So the only thing we want to return is the distance itself. So the shortest distance is going to be 1 from point -1 to -1 2. So the output should be this one. Again, we're gonna be doing a cross join here, which is like basically what it means. Cross join means is like you're gonna have this table and another table, and you wanna join every single entry in one table to the every single entry of the other table. So this is gonna be looking this is gonna be joined with all the three points, and then this is going to be joined with all the 3 points, and then this is going to be joined with all the 3 points. This is the cross join, and the only thing we want to do is like we want to ignore the fact when this is going to be joined by itself, because at that time the distance is going to be 0. Other than that, this is basically we are rounding the distance as the shortest one to the two decimal points, and in order to calculate the distance, the formula is you actually what do we do? It's basically x. Um, the distance of that is basically x2 minus x1 square plus the, as you remember that basically the way we calculate the distance is x2 minus x1 square of that, right? And then plus y2 minus y1 square of that, and the square root of everything. So that's what we are doing here. In order to square root in SQL, we have sqrt. We want to take the minimum of that, right? The minimum of this thing, like where we are having this plus this. So every single time we're gonna calculate that, but we wanna take the square root of only the minimum one, because we're gonna have a lot of options in here, and that's gonna give us the shortest one. So that's the only reason we are doing the minimum in here. Again, we are having two instances of that point underscore 2D table, table A and table B. We are cross joining it, and we are ignoring those distances where basically they are the same points are joined together. So where the x is equal to 1, x value of one entry is equal to the x value of the other entry from the other table, and the y basically boils down to that. uh, Ignore the points where one point is being joined with the same point on the other table. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Yep, thanks for watching.